Good evening. Good evening, my dear students. Here you can see MCQ from the part uterus. So let's discuss one by one. The shape of the uterus is pear shape. Uterus is called pear shaped muscular organ, and the location of uterus, it is located anterior to the bladder and posterior to the rectum. And the length of this ovary is length of uterus is 8 centimeter, weight of uterus 50 to 80 grams, thickness 1 to 35 centimeter, and the ligaments which supports the uterus are round ligament, uterosacral ligament, transverse cervical ligament, pubocervical ligament. And the origin of uterus is from Mullerian duct. And the layers of uterus are perimetrium, myometrium, endometrium. Outermost serous layer of uterus is called perimetrium. Middle layer of uterus is called myometrium. Innermost mucosal layer of uterus is called endometrium. Perimetrium is a serous layer and endometrium we call mucous layer. And uterus is divided into four parts: fundus, body, corpus, isthmus, cervix. And next, what is cornea of uterus? The point of fusion between uterine tube and body is called cornea of uterus. And pacemaker of contraction, where the pacemaker of contraction is present in the uterus, is cornea of uterus during labor. Then main part of uterus is cervix. And cervix, the function of cervix is it connects the uterus to vagina, and it also allows the sperm, and it is also prevent the entry of bacteria into uterine cavity. And the regions of cervix is divided into two types: endocervix and ectocervix. And next one, inferior hypogastric plexus, T10 and L1, sympathetic nerves to uterus and cervix. So these are the nerves supplied to the uterus and cervix, called inferior hypogastric plexus. The next one, 99% cervical cancers caused by human papilloma virus. Next, prevention of cervical. How we can prevent the cervical cancer? Can prevent the cervical cancer by cervical screening with human papilloma virus vaccine. Next, primary prevention of cervical cancer. Primary prevention cervical cancer we can is HPV vaccine. We can prevent, primarily we can prevent the cervical cancer by giving HPV vaccine, human papilloma virus. So these are all the MCQ from uterus.